been a new lawsuit against TikTok after D.C.'s Attorney General sued the social media company. That lawsuit accuses the giant of preying on local children and operating an illegal economy. Attorney Steve Barrick joins us now to break all of this down, as well as what it means for your families. I thank you so much for joining us. I guess I'll begin here with, what does this lawsuit actually seek to do?
Sure. I think there's a number of things it seeks to do. One is to seek monetary damages against TikTok, and also probably down the road at some point, the attorneys general that are involved in these kind of cases will be looking for some sort of injunctive relief ordered by the court to get TikTok to amend the behavior that they believe is illegal.
There have been a number of lawsuits against TikTok. We've covered them here on our air. How does this one differ from previous ones?
Well, I think the one that was just filed in Washington is very similar to what the attorney generals have done throughout the United States. And that is, it really focuses on the violation of consumer protection laws, the violation of creating an algorithm that would be addictive and harmful to kids. But I think the one in DC that's slightly different is they're focusing on the monetary aspect of TikTok's operation. Specifically, the Attorney General says it violates a local ordinance. So I think that's a little interesting switch and a little bit of a different take on the lawsuit.
That economy, the economic end of this, and what makes it different?
Yeah, I think what their concern is they have a platform, TikTok does, that allow for providing of credits and providing of kind of gifts, almost like virtual gift certificates, that sort of thing, that TikTok has within its sphere that users can use from one user to the next. And I think the Attorney General in DC there is concerned about this because it violates one of the local statutes that's been on the books in DC for a long time. So I think that's the difference that you'll see in the DC case that you don't see in those other ones, especially the one that's down in Tennessee.
There's so much information coming at parents fast regarding TikTok. What should they take from this most recent lawsuit, and how should they move forward with their children and their access to the app?
Well, I think it's very clear to make sure that your children are able to, if they're going to use the app, I think the younger they are, there should be more supervision. I think parents should be paying attention to what kind of things that their children are viewing. And I think what's going to be very interesting, and we're going to see as this litigation progresses, is TikTok using some sort of algorithm that causes addictive behavior in kids, or behavior in kids that is unhealthy for them. So I think that the app should be used with a lot of supervision, especially for younger kids. But I don't think that's going on, frankly. And I think that's what a lot of the government agencies are concerned about.
And that's why it's all caught up in litigation for sure. Attorney Steve Barrick, thank you so much for giving us deeper insight into what's happening in the courts. We appreciate it.